Abusuana ye Benada June Bosome de Toso Eduno and so baby a wo bia no yamo ham wa kwa bemra so mamuni amawdo bi so nsamo ya bobo no enyum ewie ye bane de babeso mon sam no doso na poso eni se di Assin North oboton pesu so elections no ekoso na MPP ne NDC fo nyina ahyase ebo wo mo ho so bo se ebinum echeche sika na ye beko no ya kwakubusa wo mo a wo mo ehye saade no a ekoso no echi and Assin North mpesiano so no mo a entity abeto Sompa FM nsɛmdwefa proso chese orobi a wa hye soja atade ye se aposifo akyere no a sie no mo kasei wo mo ade ne kwa kogina emra no na fei yate nsɛmdwefa ahweso e wa Assin North oboton pesua so ene kro no ene mpesiano so ne ntro do ne ntu asaso nyina Sompa FM nsɛmdwefo yato wo mo ahwete wo no mo a ye be koda de ekoso pa e wa Assin North mpesiano so na kwa kofa e de abremo ye de makomra so gefie mentete a Sompa FM nsɛmdwefo ababetu apono so chese ye se nemra so gafo na nkwa adwuma wo mo nyina kogu Assin North oboton pesua so a ye se ne nipa 7 pe MPs 7 pe ene kwa adwuma ye be komra so ye fiem honom ne soso no yakwa kohwede ekoso e wo honom abusia we ni afoforo pi ene akekese ne se kase ba bia wo bia no ewe ye ba ne de aba besomo ye de aseda e ma cloud internet Ghana ose so pay internet papa ye fast e reliable ne bo ne eda form a e cloud internet ne kan for de ama wo so use no wo fie anansa wo di dwuma e wo adwuma mu anansa ba bia wo bia no wonya cloud internet Ghana e be bo pa Kumasi Tech ya top high abrosai no a Kumauma Rural Bank wo mu no a eye opposite Love FM no ehwa and a cloud internet Ghana ye wo na feta beta clinic say en kancha mo say prostate mu ya de and diabetes de en ko ba bia me music and say tabita clinic na wo so ba say be ma Johnson oti ya wo o Johnson mo je de akire o Johnson o ten kasa Johnson akam na entimi ma no eye prostate na ahase e bo nkai no tutu amerikai na fo ne ekire tabita clinic ne he prostate na informa and diabetes no say type 1 diabetes year type 2 and na etete wo type 3 diabetes kra abusia fa ho adwuma nyina ene ho nsam Ekodant tabita clinic ni enye ho adwuma enfama eba ne se bia o kidney no ene o liver no so ene yesi nsu aba begiregyina ho ho atechima fa ho adwuma nyina Ekodant tabita clinic ni enye ho adwuma enfama Kumasi o sofla alignment wa fro sofla interchange no a usane te se ne wo ko patase no wonsa eye bonkum so sa obon se eye tabita clinic ye ho no mo enkran so ye o Madina ena se utie won takwa de ene sunyan so a ye wo honum ya obabri ya beho na yade ne sini sitie bia ne tutu ase de ama na fe ya Bolivia Enterprise yen kanchira mo some of the future life smart food or see your food is your medicine is your food eye ahodo benum future life aduane no eye ahodo benum your future life zero your future life oat your protein your smart fiber and your mortabella so wo mo a nyina eye dwuma na ebo ebiebie wuntini no mo ama moja ediafusane ye so what's about clinic say yen kanchira mo say stroke pa dia wo mo ye expert esa so excellent wo ho a wo mo no nkosa stroke ya de e ma wo nkonkochia yen nkosa stroke ya de e ma kasa ho nkonko ye de ma yen nkosa stroke ya de e ma setelia nkokuta poma ye sa stroke ya de amo asa so asiuda da mu bio na se ne wusi tete no wakwa ye fekra ama hode na abasronkom e chense ne na wusi tie no ye Oshim School Junction ene barakese so was her background and African origin travels and sports tourism yet say under 23 African Cup of Nations no ashase o Morocco abonten so ne Ghana mrante ni gina kono no so pesa okona ko bi na okobo Ghana mrante ni chidom a yese fuani kire your officers a wodo no nyina na ene emedi nkomo eno weche susu no ye di amanfo eko UK ye di bi eko France ye di bi eko Germany ye di bi eko Italy ye di bi so eko Spain ama wodoma akwa ye adwuma eye June ye edikosi July ya ene ye san hyehye no na di amanfo akose no woni je ho a borua offices ahodo no mo na ne mpedimfo enkodi nkomo ma me abe se wiye watena se o tano so apatrapa new side junction ho no mo say yes sickle cell ya de and a busia a PF honomo and it does wasa amount for saying Toya dear a binum class so chesa kodano e kwakwe yen so ba from what juma ekoda ma mi abe or say ya dear mufi say just say dear din wa ma pemwa in the so yasano for nina ebeda ma mi abe no nye ho juma enfama tana so patrapa new side junction honoma na ma mi abe obutua sene ya de ni sitie bia no wo ye ho juma ede amawo say nyuma ko wei ena ema ye vemwa abusia ba bia wo bia na wie yetimi abane aba besomwo bedene sesan na ya obo amali bia boga yenya bre na fe nsam no yenkomo ankasa emfa emamo
Sompa FM.
Yes, I can send us the free Assin North about to impress you. So, you are saying, "Hey, money must some money to ya." Say, and at this year, I was saying North about to impress you. So, to a bar, a yimrasmi getting for frokra, Obejina Diama this year, no, Rasmi gave you my pre yo a day a brewunum. Mamma to ya near Koso, while my Emrasmi getting Honorable James Jechi Quesin, Supreme Court penning for Etanase, Eshe, Urano, a year or Bofa, dear fa, like I said, Nigana ni yo no, and said that in Cipisa, and until I said, Rasmi Ganian say, na Urano, or Muchani Dimo Free Rasmi gets you monomo, now Bato comments and penning for Susian say, a Momoko to about Assin North about Tom Pessia, so a yim Rasmi getting for a day a ma this year, one more a was saying North about Tom Pessia in the Busia, a jebu, her M for home, and in the Sabraya Bruaco to Generation, no, and now Bruai Abomoding, I have Bra, you Pumaquemua, elections, no one more at the Association, so some performance and for able Priabato comments and penning for one more 150 mantemo, and he has seen of Kubusa would say, and Krataya Kradwana, Kaya, and Debako, and Persiano Sunina police stations out or no, Aya Kradwana, a cratch for the Mabawa, one Bashe, Abu Abato Commisano, Amo Maya Juma, Aya Kradwana, Mame Gladys Penkra, or Confinci Mantema Bato Commissan. No one never saw edit to Yenim say, and to your beer, you also me a piano, Wama Ayavia, your Mochania, and it's so Chedian Ponyan Crumpon a betium, then ye ne about no more so, and pa ne about to be beer, and if you are no paben on soon, and some chef for Yatu Mapetu no more dear, and one mania, or more at the brain, sir. No penny on air returning office any abano, you're to tuning in area, one a better year, Abu Bosse be a sumesi, and I saw a bentine, and a dinkunim, and I say, when a toss you know, we so anyway, yeah, or penny coffee tibu, some performance and for any didn't come on, it was on say, and Yama echo say near a chassis bear non sono, edibc a rieno, and Yama echo sitting watch say, ah, be beer than a quaswan, sir.
I say, yeah, both fights or what in the kingdom, and no, your man, I am a traffic. I'm found there, Monsieur Bodona, and you mean, how to do 99 police and section. You see, I'm not a face, this over Sabbath or Thompson, enter now, board, no, I can say, some money, yeah, I was sent it, yeah. The British personnel, yeah, the British no more woman. So sent it, yeah, the British personnel. No, oh, I will go make my penny.
Sompa
FM. Now, said the end of the kind. I just said, the box was okay, and found that you can't look at them now. We have a penny, we are long keys, very good, very nice. You will not pay a side, never there, and pay a ten of it. Oh, I don't make the mount, the bomb by since you now tell you, what you say, which may declare results. Now, I got 4 about that. So, which I said, you know, the police station, more our internet, 40 and the wall by the roadside. And you can make up it. You have to see it, you know, without from getting I won't say, I didn't say, not the other chief, you've been for now, 4 years, crab, and for Amay. Never what you see declared.
I was trying to wear your penny coffee tibu no and a year returning officer was saying no for Baton Persia so and yet in Kaway. I am run on this on performance for aiding Koma na Ochre Ahobua one of my year I was saying no for Baton Persia so no Panua Eba Edibesi one more and cratch for and crata and the BBB was a cobia qua codro and a Abanua Shasiano and an obo bosoka crankakra a day etcheno penny coffee tibu one or don't for ya duma and you may or bebo babano at Regana Madis Yenina and Rasil Janin Fufra Adesia war Assin North about on Persiaso one more Enyano Nabusia Abanwa Koswanwa and Entitia some performing some for yet and said ye MPP ni NDC for no Aquaquayam Precotosuo we see MPP Cheska we so Cheso NDC for Cheska and Machese we cut the money way we so Eka Ede Emanuwe na Church for Penny the man people Amanu Kodum since Mantemo or Penny Richard Techi Mensa and some performance some for Edin Koma what say one more dear one no any coach we say no nature Santamo what the Aquaco be say NDC in Penny for one more Abegu Assin North about on Persiasono Sikam Kwa and a woman Cheche a war and Persiano so say Beye na Honorable James the Chiquesin or Besaso Akuta Kunyamubil or Penny Richard a Techi Mensa and some more the 3 money.
Point to the fact that the NPP is cruising to victory this evening. Yes, that the NDC they are sharing money. I can say that they are sharing money. They are sharing money. What? The former NDC constituency chairman for Fatima, Chairman Moore, I saw him with the constituency organized from Fatima, who is assembly member for Baby Krum, Yankson. I saw them. And Chairman Moore said, oh, did they mention anybody's name? I've given you evidence, tell the people who are involved. Chairman Moore, when I saw it, I was giving you the names and giving you the places. So, but that is not going to change anything. People are determined. They've recognized what the MPP government and Ananado has done for them and what Chasopoku as a candidate has done for them even before becoming a candidate. So everything points to the fact that the good people of Assin North are going to reward the MPP and Chasopoku this evening by voting massively for Chasopoku.
I was going to wait and 50 Mantamo Church for Penny de Mouse, Sono Kogoko and Pipi Amanukuno, or Penny Richard, Techi Mensa, and not yet in car, not all Bobon, Samso Kakadeche, Nina, a Banwe Coso, a was sent off about on Persuasion as he said, yeah, Aquacoyam Precotoso, MPP for NDC for Cheska, and NDC for so Chese, MPP for Chesica, a war and Persuano so. Now a Penny Richard Techi Mensa, a bone in Crow, you know, and NDC Chita for Bisusua, or more. Assin North so HSA where the money coach we see or money Santemo or my Edia Quaco home say MPP for 2 million at the man for our Assin North and Persiana so.
Because Question is going to win. Looking at the grounds, other people are poised to vote for Question. Everything shows clearly that Question is winning. But if MPP want to do development, you don't wait till the voting day that you do development. It shows clearly desperation are setting for MPP. They are losing this election. No matter what, they are going to lose. And Question is going to win at the end of the post. No, I don't have a vote yet. I'm for the next time. It's because of the good works of the Question. That is why I'm here. So I'm here to support him because he has been very helpful and supportive to the community. That is why I'm here to do everything possible in my side to support Question to win. Going all around to talk to them. I've brought even more than 15 people from my side to come and vote for Question. They have already cast their vote. I'm going around to bring the rest of them to come and vote for Question.
My name is Engineer Ebenezer Aidu. No, I'm from Hunter West constituency. Where I'm a true NDC person. I'm a former constituency vice chairman for Hunter West. And this is the time the party needs me. Our regional youth organizer, a national youth organizer, mobilize us all as youth to come and support Question. So some of us are here as observers, some of you are also here to do operating works, and that's why we are here. Question is winning. I've been here since Friday, and if you listen to the grounds, no amount of money, no amount of intimidation, no amount of whatsoever can take the victory away from Question. If you're a true politician and you put your ears on the ground, even though the MPP is sharing 200 cities in the various strongholds of Question to make sure that they neutralize the vote, they are not getting it. The people are taking the money, but they are still voting. We do have evidence. We'll give you the evidence. When we finish the evidence right here on my phone, I'll push it to you for you to push it to the good people of Ghana out there that they are sharing money. And anybody who said they are not sharing money, even when we're at the other, they were taking they go to the booth, take the picture, and then they will come to the V8 over there, and then they will go and take the money. And as you are saying, they just arrested somebody over there.
Question is winning today. It's winning with a wider margin. I'm from Assin North. Sometimes your good works speaks for you. Look at the message in the mouth of most of the voters now. Everybody is expecting a by-election is or a constituency. Because the person knows that when there is a by-election, definitely that person is going to see a development. That should not be the case. This government has been the most fortunate government. Taxes also all over, but we are not seeing any development. But when Question stepped in Assin North, you've seen the lighting of all the areas in the constituency. You could see they've touched development. So it is not the by-election that you want to take it from them. Last year there was a revelation. For 2 years, President hasn't received any of his common fund, but still the man is doing something for Assin North.
Abusuanti wey NDC mpanimfo binum a wo so wa Assin North baton pesua so na ne oma huno ene ne oma tie na omo bobo bi so ede kire Sompa FM nsɛmtwɛfo a yate wonum ahweso e wa Assin North pesua no so omo de omo ne kotwa so omo ne tie asantem wonum huno MPP for 2 million 200 Ghana cedis on pesua no so a ne nyina eye Assin North eye baabi a omo fi se edom no ebeto ede ama James Jachikwesi no no mutu sika petie se beye na amanfo ento aba emfa mowura nen so emfa ho ene ne omu beye bia no wo mo ndisi amanyukun de wo mo gide wa rehemu se honorable James Jachikwesi na adehye ne bese yi ne bio na wakwa kogina mu rase be fiem de ama adehye a ewo empesua no so na abusia ne MPP ni NDC for eken we eboni nua sobo na we so eboni yonko sobo no na eja Sompa FM nsɛmtwɛfo de mama no tuasa asɛm no ebasa no a eja ye no yeseka ne etwa bonkum na etwa nifa na akwakotwa mfimfin nyina eje ya dwene sɛ ne observers no a wo mo ewon pesua no so ya wo mo no wo mu ne MPP eni NDC ye okodeyefo honum ye we kwakopi a wo mo ede wo mo nkrofo akɔ honum a wo mo so abatoi wo mo ede wo mani edi akire Sompa FM nsɛmtwɛfo bo pinibinom ebisa wo mu sɛ ye ne yehu nya wo mo namuo polling station no wo mo hia bi sɛ bia obi chesika ede ama obi sɛ won kotu ntie obi anase won kotu mo obi ana observers ni bi so nsɛm a wo mo ede to yenim kakra ni.
So far, I've been to Akonfede, I've been to Asampana here, and before then we had gone to Kushia, and now we are at Breku here. I think so far people were very active in the morning. You know, the queues were long and people were voting quite orderly. And so far it's been very good. It's been calm now, and we hope that this will continue. Of course, people wanted to find themselves in the queue, you know, so that they could vote early. But when they saw that the police presence and then the electoral officers were all doing everything in a very methodical and peaceful way, people relaxed, and so far it's been good. There is absolutely no evidence from where I've been. As
you've also heard?
I heard when I came to Breku here, and then the person who was making the allegation, I specifically challenged, because I'm an observer, challenged the person that, look, let me have the evidence, or you can take the evidence to the police. And the person said he would go and then find the evidence and come back. So far, nothing has been reported. So we take it that it's just mere allegation, and we should not allow that to ruin the day for us. I'm expecting that Assin North would win come at 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock when the results are declared. The victory is for Assin North. The victory is for Ghana. Of course, there are candidates who are representing various political parties, but the beauty of it is that it will be a victory for Assin North.
Abusuanti wey aye observers ni binom a wo mo no wo mu nyina MPP nyina NDC nyina LPG anase amanyoko bia fa na Sompa FM nsɛmtwɛfo ni wo mu di nkoma na wo so omo kyerɛ de wo no mahu e wo mpesua no so de akyerɛ sɛ wo mo de wo mo nanti mu ano wo mo hu obi a sɛ wo che sika so mesi anase wo benten e de ama obi sɛ won konkoto onyina no so ento aba emfa ma obi anase mfentie obi nti wey eye observers no so nsɛm a wɔma editu yenim na opani a afi atwa mu abato no yeto ye no wogina de ma NDC amanyuku no ɛwɔ ayawa so West Wogo na abato mpesua so ɛwɔ enkrapumpremantam mu owura John Dumelo so no ɛgya ono so na mu ɛwɔ Assin North mpesua so ɛne yenua Erica nan kobo mpunumpu ɛmɔ ne di nkomo busa ne sɛ wɔno so de wahunu ɛne sɛ wɔ mpesua no so.
Oh, grants ne okay. Grants ne okay. I dey be fa konya no. But I say yeko na yeko ye pa because nyama yeko so ne dey. And shara anya but omu chichesika. Omu free voters no match omu 100, 200, 300 Ghana go to abanoma MPP. But you know, most of them no mujisika no munim so beto ma in. Okay, say wanche. Nti enya dey ye che. Ba omu dey omu nim so mu che pa. Nti no mo kasa. Mako kushia omu chisika. Mako senche inside hono small towns ni villages na inside hono so omu chisika. O sha haso omu chisika wa nti ade omu che but ye behwe so na ye hu se ne be affect no because nkofo na ka chen yen say sika ne omeje but I think here is highly competitive because Hana is swing seat into highly competitive. Apart from that, so a seat so I didn't pass or say a winners because I am winning seat now. MPP for Benya majority of parliament. So it's a very crucial seat for us. That's in him. So internet in your brain. Oh, sure, be to me brown. Even if you are leading by 2 or 3 cries, it's still crucial. But we still have to win this seat, which that's why we are all here on the grounds. Because in person, we call major operations, we call from polling station to polling station, we call from town to town, village to village to canvass for votes. But me baby back for quite a hard. And dry so and then I say so much cement, much roofing sheet. I mean, how much P. Oh, in terms of security, I think the Ghana Police Service, they're just like what they did in Cameroon. I think they've done well. They've done extremely well here, and we're just hoping and praying, the security will be maintained till 4 or 5 o'clock, and even till when the counting is over and Jachikwesin is declared the winner.
Ethiopia afie twemu anase aba ye kokoto no 2020 ojina de mandisi amanyuko no wo ayawaso West Wogo na baton pesia so ora John Domelu na yete nenka wono so enemu e wa Assin North pesia no so a wo ye dwuma dika de ama ndisi amanyuko no a wo che so no namu no wo hu se ye che soromente wo hu se ye che sika ni nyina ye MPP4 na ye sade no na ye rasame jamfi wono so ne hwe eni amansan edin komo ema NDC amanyuku no ewo mayimu on de nsema waka nyina ne se opani cha so poku a wo gina de ama MPP amanyuku no Assin North baton pesia so no owura ne ye nipa boneni owura ne ye pensamin kumnya owura no eyobi a chese wo muhwe so tumi nya akukuduro eko Jachikwesin honum eko ka kire ne se Jachikwesin ne resign emo no Charles Opoku enko se beya adehye ne beyi ne se MPD wo so ndi ohunu se Charles Opoku no eye pensamin kuminya papa we nipa boni a eni kwan so omo esoso no so we eyura same jamfia ohwani amansa di nkomo ema NDC amanyuku no.
People love this man and you can see it. Afeni has started. By the time we are done, you will see the love the people have for him. The intimidation, the matter sika ni pe cheche ni nyina be kwa. Bi onyame ehira no we hira. Charles Opoku is a political prostitute. Oba ya ho say Yama honorable Kwesin Tranche, near Manemra. Exactly. And yes, where
was that?
It was medical. So. I can give you WhatsApp chats with our executives. That's a political prostitute. No principles, no conviction, no track record. You don't even vote here. And no person here MP. Let's leave it to the good people of Assin North to this. We could not have gotten any better option. Since this constituency was created in 2012, the parliamentary candidate from 2012 is in in any election is him 17,500. Ebro Biadieso, Ebro presidential candidate Biadieso. He's the most popular person from Assin North. You can see the love they have for him. And we are happy, we are excited that we have somebody like Jachikwesin leading our campaign.
I was going to your penny of any man said in Como Emma and this Yamajuku no Yura Sami Jamfi and not yet in Kanwa. Now Oche says, same be a chamukra. Charles Opoku and MPP Yamajuku, you know, so when you know my party no Assin North by election in Muno or by NDC for Honomo, Sebeya, or my Emma James Jachikwesin in Yancheng, then Konono, in Yan for Mendis Yamajuku no, and was Assin North from Persuasion. NDC for catch and say, Woman, Yomuni Massa, I just could delight no so, and into one call, no codilla, no so now answering the Timontino, and now Wobunikiti Mako MPP4 when MPP4, one of my source on Sosa, and Assin North from Persianos way, a Urasami Jamfia, or any man said in Como, Emma and this Amanu Kunan Yatin and Canabusia, Yanqua and some Chefwa, Yati Wonuma Rete, Assin North from Persianos, Abusia, Sianamo Cassing, you won't crow Mako 210. Ewa Assin North from Persiano so in Crow Mako 210 ewa Assin North from Persiano so and no more 99 polling stations and no more 18 electoral areas bebia Sompa FM yensen twefo ewo ho yenika enko Erikana no ho owo Assin Kushia ne no enkodi nkomo ejanan mahen
mejo silibia boga
mejimedi se ho ye
na me adaroma ahoden wo pa
na wanya bibi kakra to yefununum
obene den nya bibi kakra
ebeye ya no ahwe won so ye dia maye why
ma televia
boy enkomo Assin Kushia polling stations do say na ewo ho ɛna ɛdɔm sɛe ɛna wɔsɛ to aba ɛwɔ Asin kuhyia kuro no mu ɛna awie yi a no mienu wekra de prɛmo ato ɛyɛ akɔ pamu yi dodo sɛe na ato aba ɛwɔ kuhyia kuro mu hɔ no mo ɛne ne akɔso kakra boye nkomo yetie wo amansan tie wo.
Medase Libya Boga, I had a sending and pay a free addition. Soma so and I say, Adachi Biaswa, Ebabesi, and area from Tubrain. Mabato Busua, Ecoso, now Ohem Painful, and they or more. I go market him free a Chishin bench about the PM, Assin North Hanman, Sony, Assin Kushia Hanamono, sending Udi can Ibusayano. There were 4 polling stations, Hanamwa, 4 polling stations, no, Kushia DC primary, I know Hanaman. 402 and the expert to send there as a better or some better bar. It will Kushia DCJSS and no and for 584 and the some better bar. Kushia Methodist primary. And also Nipa 524 and Kushia Methodist Church and also the expert Nipa 493 now as at now idea and for the bois no more ahe and so etimi atuaba this particular areas less or ya bro more than there 50% as so the first electoral area DC primary Kushia na Nipa a car bear say Sima Ebiasan ama no mi no abono na nipa makomako be say 238 ana na omoahwe enso etimi ato aba e wa hanomo sanso ana ohwe Kushia DC no nso ana say nso nipa o mato aba na more than the half of the number na ade ampinfo twetwura omo be piem wa mehu owura John Lo ono aba hanoma me na twetwe nkomo mehu owura sirebo kwekwa no okoko piem EC ehihie mu a ono ana bedi kire edema EC panyia ono ntotoye ene akoniaba bi so operations ne nyoma no owura no nso be piem Kushia hanoma me ne edi nkomo kire mu a ade ahobammo nsem ekoyi a bibia kama bibia ofebia no onhye dante woti mu akama bia Professor Patrick Chumesi a ono ha National Sports Authority on nke hu nanka ya gokense no mochire mu a nyuma pa yewura chaso pokua yenti na so ohwe na wo be piem Kushia no no so na ho odin e ba beta na chinti so busa ya Libya Boga pepe bibia demu kama ne mo ne sena no pa me kan say ya chinkofo no bi no ade a yewura John Bodu me ne di nkomo ewie ya no o si so e de etrem ono nso kwanya santie na no nam sayo so na enne ewie oba be pie mu Kushia onko oba be tie o chirema nkofo mensa ana na achim no me kokko pie mu police station wonom no mu chiremu a na ya de minor enyoma no maye ne sa so me no mo release o mo no makwa akoto o maba nti busa ya bibia boga baso no busu a ekoso a bibia ya asundue mu ye hwe ese ebe wie na ya hwe ne akoleti na susan e de bode ho ye be hu bebi akoda
Eja nan medawase pa ya no ahwe ho so ye de amayem pa ye kotie besiafo ye professional konkonseni a oto ye credit free mfinsi mantemu a ewie die obutu Asin Kushia ye wa Assin North baton pesua so ene ye te ne nkan na ono ye wura John Boadu a wono no free sam potem ho no mo a enwe bi atwamu na ye twotwofo pani e de ma MPP amanyuku edi nkomo na ne ode tu nanim kakra ne yenti no.
From here, no, we come Africa. If whatever it is, no, also more better because you can't deny them. They are right. So apart from that, I think we are doing well, and we be out in kind now. Kind electoral commission say, we are and we are hoping say maybe 2024. No? Particularly with their DVD machines, and yet said the area. Yes, the DIRA number so far there is so good, but almost maybe almost half now to so we expect say no phone from up to me about 10 okay. So far the apart from a few neighbors as a panel, so now there were a few skirmishes there. So far, more arrangements now, and we have visibility now. So, like, for instance, a police station, you have close to almost 8 to 10 police people there, and I think it's encouraging. We hope that the absence of peace doesn't mean that there's no war. And that's what we go. We, the New Patriotic Party, we believe that the votes of individuals are sacrosanct and they must be allowed without any impediment. And we hope, and from the meeting we had with the police, electoral commission, so far there, so
Abusianti we yenua Erika Nanene yewra John Buadu edisa enkomo we ni nyina ne ekoso ewa Assin North mpesua so na eja wode etutu yenimo no na yentete ne se nipa mienu na apolisifo apiki wunum ana se wo mo achi wunum ewo Assin kusia Assin kusia nipa mienu na apolisifo aso omumu ewo mpesua so na mamenko ahoma no so na yenua Emmanuel boy ewo Assin Breku owo Assin Breku yenkobusa ne se ede adepa na ekoso Assin Breku o polling stations makoma 13 ena ewo kronim dipa sei ena ewo seto aba ena dodo sei ena ato aba awie Ima good afternoon o
yeah me
na ho ye de
about the end of the year, yeah, pa.
Yeah, the radio said, Namonia bibi kakra to moyam de.
Member Sompa 93.1 at Tifonia. Said Obusa, and said, Menya bibi to me. On this election, we would down Hokakabia Pena incident TV, and you are here now one stay focus. The everybody said, Obama say out on the actions are air personal. Nemum drink TV and Yamiadum, Yanyabi every year.
Eti Assin Breku CC Assin Breku ya tese womo ewo 13 polling stations na akosei nipa dodo sei ena wo se to aba ena so far sei na to aba ena sei na atmosphere ni city power Breku kronim
yo menia medase said ye okaye na pepepe Assin Breku obaha na mo a omo 13 polling stations na de tie ne okaye 2020 abra Mame Abna Drowa and opinion James Jetty Question, Equisi Akano, and this to me we need 12 out of the 13. And you know, Amasisiano, Ahano, Mekasa a flash point. Please, Muna, Yakasahani a flash pointer. It means that I was set by Bono, Yirimu pa. I didn't hear. It's son said, Obian Pese, Obelusi, Assin Breku. You see, I will be who say Assin Breku should be to me winning Assin Breku out any of the margins. Assin Breku. Obetumi ewini as a member of parliament honum na enunti no ba enka na aye police force e wo ha no mo number 20 to 30 na yemom sisi ano omo increase number no getting close to 100 police officers ewo aye about 4 polling stations ewo Assin Breku aye DA primary school na de tie ne oba majority na tumenya konya atwo maba na obie ne ho no man central ni bie no mo a when you main access to maybe polling stations no entrance no one. Esan said, opposed for a when they say, Omoma, I am some 12 access, Emma Yakomu and Caneno, Yakoba, and I say, na I to Memphone between Akonya, Emma when you went to Kakransu and ACA, and Fatu will be it said, for a year as in Kushia. I burn to a biano or the motu, Equaposi, a year will be a Manakotana or the Bora. Baby ania barricade no enti police for kra e de wonsa eso mante mi no de on call police station ye kase enti ni sia de yenya access to baby a ye to aba na mo meka se all the police stations ye ni tuare de abato no e koso totin bibi boni bia ne den ensi ye enti se bia o kase ye ma round figure out of say bia o ko primary DA1 bona hono enipa 441 no isi a woka se bia yen sisun pi se bia nipa 100 na atoa no kwa se se yenya ma na emom no yen se epem akona ni ma ebro de yenyina yesusu no because and then so no turnout is very massive ewo Assin Breku any all the other part of the 99 polling stations no so na Ima ade ba ko a amanfo worried wo ho pa
weather na ewo Assin North na fi say everything last week nyina ba nyina nsu atosa ene kra na e te say bia nsuo no ba mu na kakra ho so far awiei from anopay to awiei weather na te say pa titiru e Breku.
Many a good question. I will be saying. They said all kind of pepe. Osha a free aye. Any damn kwana nyame de chair and issue anto na mbom memenda kwesi ada ni fiada na eba ni nyana issue eto turn more ama ene ma aye aha no etna no aye din kakra. San say ensemtrefo bebre na so kra no enhyeda nya baabi bi emfa wontri ento because of say accommodation awo no aye limited. Na ene de wohwe wie mu a si ameno ka say ye na wie. Wo say issue no emu na kakra. Emuna kaka na emum no ye nyina ye sire wurade se ne de enko ondom boy won fa nchen na ye nto ya badwi ni embo na ye mfiri kunum ansa na nkansu na gugu enye sade a ye ni aye ni ba bitie anhwa na ye ho akire kaka ena ebetumi nso aha some of the polling stations ni bi because maybe on my biase eno moto no nti ekoba na sana though classrooms will be one more there but as you see I'm no kasi for classrooms ni bi na ya tutum. It is insurance James is here, and shall not at the assembly. And I say, about 2 weeks, no, a near dear children, a near dear children, so far ye, a good am a good room, one near dear children, as so, and you know, as any SS and you know, can chance to crack. Do a new form there, you SS and you know, from Kakra.
Imana, so far, kikri bia. Breku kromo no kikri BNC say BNPP NDC supporters yi ene mpanifo abegu kro no no kikri BNC on
menia no kaze me say emranche ni bi on ma say ya na wasono say bi esisi kakra obeje di say emranche mrenu bi kope won asem kofa asrafo ntade bi soldiers ntade o esa so kata wonanim edina maposifu mu ehwa do mu so omkutupa on say omo terms bi ni security coach bi amuka emrante na ntumi nya no na say so omumu na ye de oboko ebio emrante mienu a omo no mu free krom ha omo free outside ebusa omo so mu free kumase no omo so di abo ani amoko wosifo nsa so omu na ye emrante na omo free krom ha so a omo timoto so de na be ka kire wono wo de so to nchen a wo hu say anopapa no eka 5 minutes am ya to aba no na yenyan TSS oba die primary school na dan bi she honu baabi sikache bi koso NPP for chesika nti NDC for no sima na ye die ni ekodu honu mo na mom ye ko na ye hu se ebia sika bi she obi nsem eche bara no so nkyere se sikache enkoso menua na hu obi a waba begina me nchen ebie ni wallet ma kire me se onu one hwe ansa na obeto na ba no onya 200 Ghana cedis enti sikache no de ekoso eno so na ya fenu ni mienu nyina both NDC NPP ubusa se na LPG ni na ono kwa ni ehu no si ni mu na ya betene nka se ma mi Beatrice se owo hen so ohyen na mom the party na opinion akwalu de ehu no so wa around na mom candidate na kasa no meni nheda ntwa no so enti no se ye nche volunteer mood ye nche se kan ye nche entoma any sika ne de afenu ni mienu nyina omo che na mom no counter accusations we see we na eche and sikache any achede ekoso a
ima yada se mesrawa ya no ahwo nso ye di ama ye wae yada wase papa yenua Emmanuel boy and ye call nche ono no e wa Assin Breku kronim nti yakọ Assin kushia ho na yenua Eric Ananwo ena yaba Assin Breku sisi ye hwese ye beko Assin confide medical catch am say okọ Assin North mpasua no so a womo ewo 210 communities womo ewo 210 communities emu akese emu nketua emu nkurase ni nyina kekabom ebe 210 communities womo ewo 99 polling stations ewo mpasua no so ena omo 18 electoral areas nipa eto aba ewa Assin North mpasua no so 41,168 sa nipa eto aba ewo Assin North empesua no so eno no enti wei eye baabia Ebenezer wotwedi ampo no de ababeduru ewo Assin North by election no a ekoso no ye hwase ye beko Assin confide Assin confide na yakwakodi nkomo na ye ne enua na twemasi a ono so ye de na butu honom wato ye nkra ede afri honom na ye nua na twemasi ahoma no entuto mu no yenko yenu opani Richard Kumado enkodi nkomo yobi a wabini ye pa ewo security mum so far yatesa police fo ye ya arrest bi ewo empesua no so womo achi obi a ose military uniform a all paradie se oye sojani na nso onye sojani womo achi nipa binumu a womo eti motorcycle so na ase omusunu omo ban no emo asomdwe ewo empesua no so ibebusa se no the asem na ka de kire yen e wa Assin North mpesua no so opani Richard Kumado ewe yemo ha o emo akwa ba
mina mejeso
majima di se ho ye
mpachan
majima di se ne ekoso wa Assin North by election no eja security expert ya wa bene bambo ho nsemo wodi wani edi akire from enra ye ne udi nkomo edi besi awie a abobe 12:40 Obaka says so far so good in terms of security near IGP and then the men on my year Assin North na.
Oh, definitely on my idea. As part of security operations, any key observations and then Timichi Omama share police uniform, military uniform. But me feel say it's unnecessary and yet necessary at all. Yen me anuma amuya boys amako share military ni police omuko yeden. What is the objective? Now, what is the essence? The total number of police for a war seem no far. I'm not for crack can say a dog's too much. Officer share inside a yen who wana. Now your future is at stake. Small boy, wako ya deal with ye chill. So politicians next small cry now. Oko home one. Would be call criminal books anymore. And it is tomorrow in the next 10 years, 20 years, yeah, background checks were on there. Who say there was a by-election. It is not too necessary for our young people to be doing this. By your board police for about say so far so good. I'm to meet Nipa Tua. One backwash military uniform, backwash police uniform. Your bomb pie say you could do the second layer of the critical time, which is between 1 to 3. Now, yet me pass it between 1 to 3 now can 5 to 9. Yeah, now you declare results no. Obi okay.
O expect say nipa womo ati womo no boys ya ebi se military uniform ebi se police uniform a womo enye military officers as also enye police officers no o expect a harsher punishment bi o se yede ma wo mu ana ebi ebekode ama womo.
Definitely non-punishable of offenses create problems. Now you say your amount prison sentence there's a bigger danger ahead. So would call police criminal books say there was a dear wako impersonation and yacho. We are sending now behon's records no. Or say affect you directly. It will affect your family people. That is why I can say it is not too necessary at all. What is the motive? What is the implication? Because that part now there's total number of police officers it is just too many say impersonation and see meaning harsher punishment is great to deter other people, but even without harsher punishment your name to go into the criminal records books make too much of a unnecessary attention to yourself.
Baako so amanfo ka ho asem ye say sa heavy security presence police officers bebrebe ya wo gu polling station by polling station no put fear in people ema oso obu onu mu asade no ntimi ntia ne makra no meto aba no ha dwene abato no obi onu mu hu sade na osuro ha dwene.
Definitely to some large extent ha dwene. But it's also to a large extent of impersonation and of side say let's pile up the place with police. Number 2, one of the things I had by the presence of politicians. And a creative division among the police, divided attention. You need to keep an eye on the politicians to grant them their safety and also to ensure their presence will not create problems. whilst you keep another eye on the electoral process. And the presence of heavyweight politicians make too much of a problem, a creative problem, because some of them move from one police station to another with large crowds, which is not too necessary at all. Then you also have young boys and girls who are impersonating to be law enforcement officers. Then you have people afraid of the huge numbers of the police. We are just not too serious in Africa here as human beings. We want to follow this democracy and politics. The way it is so backward and awkward and weird. And so that at the end of the day, whoever wins carry the day.
Opani Richard yadase opani kumado. Bibiania. Bibiania ya ose second layer no. Eti second layer no yedru also a yebesa ba ho. Why?
No problem at all.
Mati yadase pa busianfo. Opani Richard kumado ne yekọ ne nchen a yene no akwakudi enkomo ni nyina Assin North abato mpesua so by election na ekoso omachire ni pebinum ebi ahye police atade ebi ahye soja atade a omonya police for enya soja for na boys be to bi a ye chi wo wenum mienu de omobonu omaye nyina o de Bra TV no so na behwe no so ade wo ahye NPP t-shirt ene NPP niema e wo mo ho na Ghana mra no so etia se ada ye to aba obekọ ho no akwa campaign na say wo de party bi ebi bekọ ho ene nam so ma police for epeke sa boys mienu a wo mo edai TV so abusua wo mo edi wo mo ekọ na abusua ya hyemobo free be na watching say Assin North mpesua so sa 210 communities ya wo Assin North no yensem twefo ahyeta ba bia yani coach wisie edi ekira from kren to kran intima fidie ne nkoto ba bia emwoni nkoto ba bia tena Sompa FM ho na tena Sompa TV ho de yekoso bia ye de ebramo abusua ye na ye ho na ye mpensu bi nom ye ba pia kachiri ye be komra sebe fiem ya te se na MPC na nkwa adwuma wu so mu nyina kogu Assin North nipa 7 pe ene ekoye adwuma ne na kusi sei ye na ye homre.
Sesia Ghana hade open internet papa eye smooth eye fast bemo waye dia we bia with speed dia eye Cloud Ghana internet and phone ne baby a wo share say a new site and a rural area Cloud Ghana chow internet ni tuma said demo any entertain ko na ne speed ne so de wo ne seso da say jumem efie ana baby a wo here internet bia de and no ane Cloud Ghana internet sa santa memu hanko na wo dia wuni how kra Cloud Ghana na Ghana ha or providing internet connectivity and twitchini muntwitwensi a dem say smooth dia wodi ebia a content term so dem out say Wi-Fi and now hotspot deployment CCTV camera installation IPVT installation net surveillance digital security locks and web hosting there Cloud Ghana internet service in Kwana and Uhamo and phone one baby a wo Cloud Ghana a chow tuma say with dem any speed ne there as soon as so as subimba Ghana hada simple Unya how bia you provided 24-hour support demau ye mrantie no wo frɛ ya ne adru hoda dada or how bia sane atie bia ya son no the amount what to me akoso the internet na digumedie bia wudi bia ope ya cha kwan ya top high opposite Love FM ye ne kwama rural bank na wo dan bakum frɛ Mr Internet was 0202 699 110 and now 0244601933 ubetumi so send a mail was support@cloudghana.com. Cloud Ghana Internet. The future can't wait.
Yako Morocco. Abusia for passports. Morocco under 23 Olympic qualifier championship. And on Adus no African origin travel and sports tourism. And 2 million krano. And also know what track record you know. Yako Morocco. African origin travel and sports tourism say. Bra na onyan shishedi nyina mfamao. 20th June. Ekwasi 15 July 2023. Yako siam akwakwasi akukansi ekasi pa football. Ya ekwasu Morocco. Rabat no. Frena tuye bibiki tuwe bisesia. Na yensha visa visa application any holiday processes no ase kaisa a sports tourism package ya visa application support visa fee accommodation transportation any wo flight nyina wo pesa wo tu kwan so ekwa aman etise Colombia and Nicaragua Belize afa UK France Germany Italy Spain say ye tour announce said DA from 0544 322 111 0544 322 112 and 0544 347 003 African Origin Travel and Sports Tourism Zedianoma Yedu Betufa
Sompa, 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 Sompa.
I was here some of my Babio Eba Sompa 93.1 FM. We are prem to bre Cassie Eso. I was for Yenton, some no Sumamona, answer and yesterday my cloud internet Ghana, open internet here, a fast, a reliable, a bonnet for moi, a cloud internet Ghana, Matana ye and the echo, hey, Wi-Fi no munina, and a hotspot deployment no munina, one more AAB CCTV camera installations, and a digital security locks in no cloud internet Ghana ye be. Monsieur Kumase top high, take us and the eke opposite Love FM Abrosambi, a hot and a Kumamai, Rabang war, opposite Love FM Honwa, a honey war. For 0244 6019 330244601933 na fe Tabita Clinic so say yan kancha mo say your prostate mo ya de say your diabetes say your kidney and no liver no ho atochuma for ho adwuma nyina ebeda wunum ye wo eye kumase sofly alignment wa fru sofly interchange no a usane te se ne ye wo kopatase no unsani faso ye honum enen kra so ye Madina and takra de ene sunyan so ye honum ene ani nkomo 0260 196219 0260196219 na Tabita Clinic ejo so me se prostate no bema udi 40 45 50 hono mo kwa moni nko ho papa diabetes no so se nkwada nyina enyenya bi ne ade ne mum Tabita ba ye die enda so aba ediamo bia ya Bolivia Enterprise was yen kanchiremo so mo the future life smart food yes your food is your medicine is your food your ma hudo benum your future life zero your high protein your motabella your future life oat your smart fiber ni nyina ebo etoda yare ne enye draw eye waduane ene besa yade eno nti no mo say your food is your medicine is your food ebie ntiri no mo eboa ma waduane a wadi agu yem no e digesting na ne yie ema eso bamfa so e de mani padua no na fe ne enye no atwene nyina e de afri ne padua no madwuma future life aduane no eye e de ma wono nti bo pa obia timi di bi so what diabetes so ni diabetes so yare so wonyare so ye pani so ya kokra so ya brewa obia timi di bi you also for alignment opposite multi home stores yem papa bulaji multi home stores wa opposite one ya Bolivia Enterprise future life for no more from 0246 0101 50 0246 010150 na fe so was her back clinic o say en kanchiro say e ba stroke wa wo me excellent esa so e expert wo ho a wo no stroke no wo mo etu no ma hyiase a enko say yasaw yade no wachia yasaw yade na ntimi nkasa yasaw yade na so setele oda so kutapoma ye tutu ase amwa sa si udadam ama hode ne kra bache first no e de ama wei e so was her back clinic anya ho adwuma enko ne ye fibroid ye tu asie liver no na nsu aba be giregyina ho ye ho adwuma oba ne be ma mo pa wo enam yarewa hudo nyina yetutu asie ediama na cancer se ne sitie bia so no ye be ho adwuma ediama we eye sowes herbal clinic ne ye ka ho asem e de kiro no ye wohim school junction and abarekese frey 0243 282629 0243 282629 African Origin Travels and Sports Tourism yedi amanfo 824 akomoroko abonten so African Cup of Nations no a ekoso ehonum no wode ye pese kokko hwebie no yese fa ho nsem nyina beda ye yese samako makwa hwebo ne bi ye wi a opese okọ UK opese okọ France opese okọ Germany opese okọ Italy Spain no mo a yede saa 2 months June ede kosi July ene yede yesa de ne yede amanfo ekọ amomakwa akoye adwuma entimesrawo opese ukọ bia na wa frɛ telephone number ICC a 0544 322 112 0544 322-112 and 0544 347002 0544 347002 Mami Abe say we watena se e wotana so patrapa new site ono mu a ya de ne de din bia fakono ntutu ase ma me se bema ofito panye ne nyinse obi amfa bi nse woda o yare ko Mami Abe ho no beboa sickle cell Wasiase, amanfo say yentoyade, amanfo say sunsumu yade, amanfo say hunhumu yade. Mami Abe say yade no amanfo so matode ama no ono hunhumu obetuase no asaso atuase honamani amani nyina fi honum eba no low sperm count num hole in heart num ene chese cancer kaza yade bia de den fa ho adwuma ekodan Mami Abe no nye ho adwuma emfa ema tano so patrapa new site ya na Mami Abe wo friend 0243 345392 0243 345392 na fe wie de mizo ene 5G ene de bo news no so amana ye de mizo ni ye woni mango ho ye woni pineapple ho ye woni melons ho ene oba kwa ya ka fruit no nyina de abomu ena 5G no so no mo a emo energy soronko ema de ye adwuma bia bi upe bia to atone a no aba Sompa FM ye premises ya e wo so ame ha sei and our telephone number is 0246 270221 0246 270221 na fe apparativo so no boa pa unu bi wo Italy unu bi wo Holland unu bi wo abrochire Germany no mo a buzana sa apparativo na ye de bebie wuntine mu ti da Italians no omunyini chepa omu secret yesa botu ntientie we no apparativo for 0246 270221 ne to be and I say be in one echo ento akase no so ye dem ko mra se be fima busia Assin North nti ye se ne Ghana mra se be jafo anko adwuma ene wo bia anko ye se ni pa 7 pe eno mu tue mu sa abere wa bia num no be e cha abere wa bia num why 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 yo ena speaker so te wo Edio na busia every montana ase no na cheso mo ye adwuma enye ye etimrase adwani owo mrase adwafie ma dehye a also me abaton peso aso honorable say mensa bonso esre edit to speaker nim say de aye ne de agese ade no adjoin bam into omo adjoin odon for ya adom akina won besa ba adwuma
speaker as I indicated the chairman for the other committees are not here in present. So we stand their own charges down. And in the face of that, and given the circumstances of today, I would want to move that we take an adjournment until Thursday, the 29th of June at 10 o'clock in the forenoon. As we move the speaker.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, I second the motion ably moved by the majority leader.
Other members, the motion for adjournment has been moved and seconded. All in favor of the House adjourning now say aye. All against say no. The ayes have it. The House is accordingly adjourned till Thursday, June 29th, 2023 at 10 o'clock in the forenoon.
I was going to weigh a nessing in a parliament city. Woman, you know, Trom or more equasin of Nina, Assin North by election, and I'm a woman, you know, Kwaku go on almost an interior or Masset no more barrier. You don't for your doma, Etna, and now don't for your dom no more bar. Omo akwako yedwuma yere kase na kwako wie ewo tanker drivers no if you nra omo e strike hyehye so no na yenua ba to ye nkradi free atoye mantemu na omi afri ye ba no eno ne tanker drivers association ku no opani oda no se chairman western region and the central region edin komo kwa mi bobi ansa eno wo che se omo de bebi omu gira no de nyese bia wo mo mpa ban ne ye nti no mo ko strike ye wo makwan ne nye anu ntina mo etu saa na mo nye bibia ntia
enra ne esase enra ne de ehun shemu because ye kwa ye meeting no e je say enu da na o se esase to no ya hweri ya na ye ka no bi atom and I truck will be at 2. And then the truck on the body. Any I had my age when I taxi. Oh, and I truck on the taxi. And the per se, Bibia to ye, and Sunny Ayajuma. Because I said, Debiano, Omotaka, a can almost a can, oh, a bayama, Yamonia, a bayama, and then Dunafro, Tegari.
I was trying to weigh your penny, Kwame Bobie and San, where your chairman Nada, a tanker drivers association, Kuano, ewo atwemantemo ene mfimfi mantemo ne yetene kana no ne yenuaba Naomi Efriye nyano ena edisa nkomo ye gina we so na wie nsema ebaba no de beso mo ye de masia sei odonfo ya domo anwumre ye ba betena se biu na ne yekoso Assin North nyina no from Krenkre to Krankran ye de abremo me de na na abo amale bia boga seda nkoma production team a ebo mi chi domo awie asante ebo a ne yesemo for penny kuku a ene chinchin fidie ne de ma me ya Grace ene de court television so mranche ne maba we Sompa newsroom so no ye de obi bia se ya sorry ohene ni esumato aso
Sompa.